The daily Bitcoin DCA, because USD just ain't the way. It's currently September 24th, 2025. We are sitting at block height 916,210, coming up on a million blocks soon. One Bitcoin will run you $113,917-ish dollars, and one USD will get you about 878 sats. Market cap still sitting at 2 trillion. Hash rate still looking good, over 1,000 exahash, down a little bit in the last 24 hours. Average target block time still about 10 minutes. Sats still pretty low. Fee rates are still pretty low. And everything is still looking good. System is running flawlessly. If we come take a look at our Z-score, still sitting in them twos, trying to make a decision on what direction we're going to go. So we're going to head towards the overbought, or we're going to head down towards oversold in due time. We'll find out. Our floor is steadily climbing up. If we get to today, 52,883, up about $20-$30 from yesterday. If we come take a look over at some technicals on our weekly chart, we try to come down and kiss the 20-day EMA. And this is a lagging indicator. So probably if price runs up, let's say the next week or two, then this will pull up and this will seem like it kind of kissed off of it a little bit. But we pretty much almost touched down into 110. I think we got to about 111 or high 110s. And then if we go take a look at BITI, RSI weekly is sitting at 38. It's still a great time to be buying and loading up, consolidating. And then Bitcoin is sitting at 57. If we come take a look at all the buys, here's the order. This is the execution price. This is how much Bitcoin I was able to accumulate. This is how the portfolio is looking. 0.00012851 Bitcoin accumulated, down just a little bit. And then if we take a look at the BITI order execution, and then this account is up a little bit. So if we take a look at the log, this is what was accumulated. This is the total accumulated. This is the current value, down just a little bit from the total deposited, climbing back up in price. At the time that I did make this purchase, we have hit down to the low 111,000. But like I said, just sticking to the script. In the last 2 weeks, we've been fluctuating between 111,000 to 117,000, so about a $6,000 spread. Z-score heading down a little bit. This is the lowest that I've seen so far since we've been doing this. And then RSI slowly climbing back up. And as we can see, about a $40 difference, $40 climb in our floor in the 200-week moving average. And then for the BITI, coming up on a full share accumulated value versus what was deposited is up a little bit. And then the RSI came down a little bit from the last couple days. We were in the 40s and it's cooling off a little bit. Another cool thing that just dropped, Macadamia Wallet for iOS. So now you can send Bitcoin straight through iMessage, which is really cool. Take a look at this. I've already tested it out and sent some Bitcoin via text message, kind of like similar to if you send somebody like Apple Pay. Like if you send someone Apple Pay in a text message, it's pretty much the same thing. Like I said, the future is here. We are living in it. And I think this is really dope. like I said. So now if you want to start onboarding some people, or, you know, if you want to go patron some businesses and you want to shoot them some Bitcoin if they're not set up yet, or you're trying to get people on the orange team, this is a cool feature that you can use and send somebody some sats. So that's all I got for today. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow.